There it is. I took it off that fast. It's right there. You ready for this? I'm gonna put it back on. All clips. Clip, 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 clip. Until you get to this guy. This guy pops in. But first, we're gonna put it back. Door number 1. Lift up with this. Door number 2, pop off with this. 1 and 2 screws, and they're right there. Now, right here, I'm going to show you. I had to pull extremely hard with this thing, and I told you, gotta buy this thing. Extremely hard from the bottom, and the whole half popped out. Then you work your way around, popping out the rest. This guy, lift upward. It will snap back in, but when you pull it out to lift upward, this will be the last one sort of holding you in. If it pops out for you, fine. Here you go, handle, push in, pull out. Squeeze, I will show you. There you go, squeeze, you can feel for it. Same with this one. Squeeze, you can feel for it. There you go, whole door panel's out. See ya. Bye. But I think I already have this video for that side. So this one is for the door switch. So we're gonna lift this puppy up and get that door switch out. Let's get it out. There you go. I got it out. See that? That's your part number. That's it in your hand. Yay! Pretty easy. Clip, clip, clip. Clip, clip, bloody thumb. These get pushed that way. Start with this side. Made it easier because when it was in here, push outward and pull the butt side out. That will help relieve the pressure and work your way up as you push out, and it'll pop out. They go outward. See? See? Same with this puppy. So snap it back in. I'll show you on this one. See, snap out and out. And you pull up at the same time. Can I do it with one hand? Probably not. There you go. Same thing. Push out. Make sure you push enough out. Push it back in. And you put the door panel back because you took it out. You want to make sure these snap back in. Make sure they're snap back in. Pull on them, yeah. Now, turn this puppy over and say sayonara, because you're going to push everything back. Clip, clip, clip. This slides back. Very simple. And just push the whole door panel back after you plug these guys in. Do I have to tell you that? Good, goodbye. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.